So I want to make my own sink filter because I think the one we bought doesn't have a good design. As you can see, there's an indent in the middle, so the food will accumulate there, and pretty soon you'll be filled, and you have to clean it again. And it's pretty hard to pick it up without getting your fingers dirty. So I kind of want to design a filter that doesn't have these problems. So first I draw a side section of the filter, and then I rotate it to create a solid body. And then I make a shell out of it. Then I construct a plane on the surface of the slope. And I drew 4 rectangles. Then I cut these rectangles out. And then I use the circular pattern to make lots of rectangles around the cone. Now I'm making the top circle, the top sphere, so I can grab it. Okay, so now I've got my design in my bag. And this is the design. So let's try and put it on the sink and see how it works. So yeah, amazingly it fits perfectly inside our sink, even though I just used my eyes to approximate the size and just made an estimation. So let's see our old filter. So this is our old filter. The reason why it's not good is because when you put this in the sink, if the food fills the first layer, then it gets clogged. So that's why you need to clean this often. But with this design, as you can see, it's a triangle, so water can always go through the top, and so there won't be a clog. Yeah, and also the old design, you have to use your fingers to pick it up from the sink, which is disgusting. So I designed this little handle you can take it up. And this is actually a tray, so if there are lots of food, you can the tray will hold it and it won't accidentally fall out, and you can just dump it into the garbage bin.